Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare the paint for what's coming up next, the graphics. Alright my friends, all this side has been prepared. Let me show you what I did on the other side so we can get this lowrider ready for those graphics. Okay, you got a couple of ways you can do this. A lot of them, wet sand it and block it down. Now it's real good to do that, but it's gonna take a long time. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using the DA with an interface pad and 600 grit sandpaper. Okay, and I'm gonna dry sand it. I'm not gonna be doing a wet sand. I'm gonna dry sand it. I'm gonna show you until what point you need to stop in order for you to have a perfect finish. Alright, you saw me going with the DA. The DA is not in high speed. It's going real slow. I'm just going across, making sure that all of this orange peel that you see there, hopefully the camera's capturing it, but all this orange peel has to go. As soon as I eliminate the orange peel, I just keep on moving. I don't stay in that place because I am gonna burn it. And if you burn through this and to the candy, might as well just restart because you're not going to be able to match it. It's going to be real hard. Just go slow. It'll take time, but it can be done right there. So let me just continue. I'm going to put you on the tripod so you can see, but let me just continue and finish it up. All right, the entire side of this panel, this quarter panel, has been sanded. I did not sand near the corners, as you can see right there. I don't want to burn through. That's going to be taken care of on the next step. Right here either. All right, next step. Remove the sandpaper, leave the interface pad, and get yourself some Scotch-Brite. The maroon Scotch-Brite. Cut it down to the size of a sandpaper, and you need to use a Velcro. Place it there. Right there. You have a sandable Scotch-Brite, I guess. And you're going to go all over the entire area, including the corners. You're not going to cut through. This is not too aggressive, but just see how I do it, and you're going to have yourself a real nice finish. And there it is. Now do that to the entire car, and you'll be ready either for flow coating or to do your graphics, and then you just clear over them, and you will have a real nice smooth mirror finish job. Alright guys, and this will be it. It's a real quick video as to how to prepare your car for either flow coating or for the graphics. So let me just finish it up. Next video, next coming weekend, it's going to be the graphics. Now, the graphics, the owner of the car it's going to have somebody else do the graphics, guys, but I am going to show you how he's doing it. He's a real good, talented artist. So he's going to be doing some pinstriping, like I mentioned, going to be doing some leaf, either silver leaf or gold leaf or together. But I am going to show you a bit as to how he's doing it, how he's taping it up. So let's just wait for that video next coming weekend. All right. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. And like always, subscribe, share the video, comment on the video, and God bless.